In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover data from Google Drive, specifically focusing on files that have been moved to the trash. Whether you've accidentally deleted a file or simply changed your mind, Google Drive makes it fairly straightforward to restore these files back to their original locations. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that has the files you need to recover. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. What you're looking for right now is the Trash option. Click on it to open up your Trash folder. Inside the Trash, you'll see a list of files you've deleted, and they might be organized by the most recent first. Take your time to scroll through if you have a lot of items, or use the search bar at the top to search for a specific file name if you remember it. As you peruse the list, find the particular file or files you want to restore. Once you've spotted the file, give it a right-click with your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu with several options, and what you'll want to choose here is Restore. By clicking Restore, you're essentially telling Google Drive to move this file out of the trash and put it back in its original spot within your drive. The restored file will go back to the same folder it was located in before you deleted it, making it easy to find again. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully recovered your file, giving it a new lease on digital life without any hassle. However, it's important to note that items in the trash aren't kept indefinitely. They're automatically removed after 30 days. So, if there's something you may want to restore in the future, make sure you do it before that time frame runs out. As a helpful tip, if you're trying to keep your Google Drive organized and minimize unintentional deletions, consider color coding folders or using naming conventions to make files easier to spot. Additionally, setting up a regular schedule to go through your trash could be a good habit to form, ensuring nothing you might need gets permanently deleted without you realizing it. We all make mistakes, and deleting files by accident is something nearly everyone has done. Thankfully, with this simple process of retrieving files from the trash in Google Drive, those mistakes don't have to be permanent. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips. Happy file recovering!